what we did is to actually hit more complex targets. You can do it in a computer and all that, but it is hard to understand how in real time the lead is going to hit these targets inside the brain. So what we did is we printed a brain from an MRI of a person. A lot of the main iterations of printing have been in joints, for example, or being able to look at bones. How do you connect a bone with each other? But I think what's happening with the 3D printing is that as we are embarking in, for example, looking at the brain, the surgeries of the brain, the anatomy of the brain, eventually we were going to be able to print biological materials. Now you can print the cartilage of an ear, but eventually we will be able to actually print organs and maybe cells, because after all, they're just the physical elements that are contained in a cell. You can imagine that in the future you may be able to bring the same elements and then print a cell or an organ. 3D printing is just at the beginning of its iteration. I think it's on its initial steps, but I think it's going to be extremely important in the future for medicine, for surgery, for our ability to produce prostheses and organs and so forth.